If you find yourself struggling with a topic or specific question in any college class, one great and often underutilized solution is going to your professor's office hours. Office hours are a great opportunity to get help from your professors and TAs. They're also a good time to ask questions, get feedback on your work, and learn more about the material. Many students are told to go to office hours during college. However, I think that many students feel intimidated or unsure about how to attend these sessions, which is why I want to share Office Hours 101. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips to help you get the most out of office hours. Come prepared. Make sure that you have read any material or tried any assignment in its entirety before coming to office hours. This shows your professor that you value their time and are committed to trying to learn the material. Additionally, it will allow you to jump into your questions during the session. This can result in a richer, more productive conversation with your professor. In addition to being prepared, you should be on time. Being respectful of your professor's time is important for the betterment of you and other people's time. Office hours are usually only an hour long, so try to be efficient with your questions. Also, try planning your questions ahead of time. Make sure to arrive on time and be conscious of the other students waiting for their turn outside the office. Being respectful of your professor's time will make them more willing to help you in the future. My next tip is to don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Your professor is there to help you succeed, so don't be afraid to ask for help if you're struggling with something. Professors appreciate students who understand their limitations and are willing to try to learn and improve. Professors are also excited to help you because you are trying your best and reaching out. They will also be excited to help you because many students often fail to go to these office hours. My next tip is to take notes. It's a good idea to take notes during office hours so you can remember what your professor says. This is especially helpful if you are forgetful like me. Make sure your notes are neat. Your professors might also provide valuable insights or guidance that you'll want to remember later on. Jotting down key notes not only demonstrates your dedication, but also ensures that you don't forget the advice that you received. My next step is to follow up. If you have a question that your professor can't answer during office hours, ask them if you can follow up with them later. This is a good practice to follow even if you don't have any additional questions. If you want to recap your meeting or remind yourself of what you talked about, then following up is great too. Office hours are a great resource, so don't be afraid to use them. They can help you develop your academic and professional skills. Office hours can make you more confident in what you are studying, and most importantly, they can help you build stronger relationships with your professors.